Hello, hi children. Today we're going to sing a rhyme. Three yellow mangoes. Let's start the rhyme. Children, sing with me and join with me. Three yellow mangoes, three yellow mangoes, hanging on a tree, hanging on a tree. I gave them a smile. I gave them a smile, and they smiled at me, and they smiled at me. Will you fall down? Will you fall down? I asked all three. I asked all three. They all fell down. They all fell down. One, two, three. Thank you, children. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, support our channel. Bye bye. Thank you, children.